Hi everyone, my name is Eunis. I am one of the Chickadees teachers from St. Mary Nursery School. Today I'm going to read There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. There is a bird on your head. Picky! Is something on my head? Yes, wink. There is a bird on your head. Wink. There is a bird on my head? Is there a bird on my head now? No, wink. No, there are two birds on your head. The elephant seems unhappy about that. What are two birds doing on my head? Oh, they're in love. Wink. The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. Oink. Lovebird? How do you know they're lovebirds? They are making a nest. Oink. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds making a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? The piggy is checking over, and let's see what the piggy found. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. Wink. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. Wink. The eggs are gone? The eggs are hatching. Oink. Hatching! The eggs on my head are hatching. Oh my goodness. Chip, 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 chip. Oh, they have hatched. Oink. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. Oink. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Oink. Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Oink. Ask them? Yeah, go ask them. Oink. Okay, I'll try asking. Excuse me, bird, would you please go somewhere else? No problem, said the bird. Oh, it worked. The bird is saying bye-bye to the elephant. Bye. Now, there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Picky. Thank you so much. But, all the birds just moved to Piggy's head, and it's his turn to be unhappy right now. He was like, "You are welcome." The end.